This Scandinavian beast right here is based on the Volvo XC90 and houses almost all the features of it in a more compact and sporty way. To name it, it is the all-new Volvo XC60. First look at the car and you are immediately have fallen for it with its huge Volvo signature grille. The LED headlamps have these Thor hammer inspired DRL which adds to its class. The fog lamps are deep down there and above them runs a chrome insert making its chin more aggressive. On the side the whole window line is covered in chrome and on the base of the door there is an insert of the model name inscription. The car is equipped with these huge 19-inch alloys and runs on the special-made Michelin tire only for Volvo. On seeing the rear, everyone knows that it's a Volvo. The very famous L-shaped taillights give its back a character and the dual exhaust pipe gives it a sporty feel. Inside, you will find high-end quality material everywhere used. There is soft touch plastic almost everywhere in the cabin. The dash is an all black one and this strip that runs through the middle of the cabin is a pale, light, unvarnished wood which gives the car a premium and elegant feel. The AC vents has a great design to it, further enhancing the cabin, and in the middle of these two AC vents lies this huge 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system which houses everything. From the basics, it have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, and even the climate control is turned on from here. You have heating seats too, which too is controlled by here. All the control of the car is controlled by this huge screen. Both the driver's and the passenger seats can be controlled by these electronic buttons given here. The massaging button is right here. You just need to swipe this up and from the infotainment system you can turn on the massaging seats. This is a first-in-class feature and only the Volvo has this feature in this range. This Volvo gets a 3-spoke hand-stitched steering which gives the car an elegant feel. You get many controls in it. For example, there is control of adaptive cruise control and an assistant button too. The gauge cluster is a fully electronic one and it has different themes in it. The center glove box, which acts as an armrest too, has many multimedia ports in it, for example USB and even a DVD player. On opening this unvarnished wood panel, it reveals 2 cup holder and some more storage. This gear is very unique as all the controls in it are in a vertical form, and behind this is the engine start-stop button and terrain control. This car gets an electronic handbrake. The car sounds amazing with these 15 speakers of Bowers and Wilkins. To further enhance your music, you have different modes like concert hall, individual stage and a studio mode. This is a first-in-class feature and for all the music lover, this is the car. The glove box too has decent amount of storage in it. Both the passenger and the driver seats has memory function and both can lock and unlock the car. The rear seats of the Volvo has acres of space in them and to enhance it, it has a center armrest with some storage and 2 cup holders too. It has a 4-zone climate, so both the passengers can control their climate, and it has heated seats too. You get reading lights in the rear. The Volvo XC60 gets a massive boot of 505 litre which can be opened by the key, and there is also foot gesture control for it. First of all, it is very easy to load the luggage as this car has a very low limb, but to further increase your convenience, this car can be lowered down. To increase the boot space, you can electronically push down the seats . Because of all these reasons, the Volvo XC60 costs 70 lakh for the D5 inscription.